Now I'm going to be showing you how to install the sweeps. The sweeps come with the sweep, the brushes, and the sweep cover. Now when you're doing this, when you make your cuts, I recommend not cutting with the brushes inside. They are easy to slide. I use wire cutters to cut them. The reason why is if you're using a chop saw, it tends to kick, and I have had damaged sweeps because of this. So when applying the sweeps, when you do your measurements for the size to cut, they do not come to size. So what we do, our rule of thumb is to split the weather stripping used. You cannot go all the way to the jam. The system rotates in or out the other way. And what can happen is the sweep, if it's too long, can scratch the jams either direction, either side. So when you're measuring for the length of the sweeps, make sure you do it with the door locked. The reason why is, if the door rotates even a little bit, it can throw off where you're trying to measure from as far as compression of the weather stripping. So like I said, you want to go to the center of the compressed weather stripping. Line yourself up, get a measurement to the other side, make sure you're lined up. Alright, now you want to reapply your brush sweep. I'm going to go all the way. What I like to do is I like to pull it back a little bit, just a little bit, make my cut so that it's nice and even. Push it in, it should be perfectly even.